Hi, I'm Gal,
And I'm Liron.
and we're a married couple, psychotherapists, and founders of the Couple Center. Since 2011, we've been supporting couples in different ways.
Right.
We have a staff of therapists that work with us. We lead workshops and online courses for couples. And we also train therapists in our own method, that we have developed over time to have to work effectively with couples.
On a personal level, we met 23 years ago, and our relationship went through seasons, like everybody. We had amazing, wonderful, very connected times in our lives, and also some other times we were very far away from each other.
We even broke up twice and
Yes.
got back together. So we know what it means to basically go through up and down in your relationship.
Yes, we have two amazing kids. So in between being parents, running the business together, seeing clients and teaching, we have a lot of our plates. But our mission and our goal is really to support couples and therapists to learn more about relationships.
And so we want to invite you to really look at our workshop. We've been doing it for many years, and we found that in one weekend, you can learn a lot and you can create a breakthrough in your relationship. You can feel closer to one another, improve your communication. And so we really want to invite you to join us.
Yes, we'd love to see you there.